So guys, let me show you how you can get your Instagram blue icon if you want to really be a specific user, or maybe you're a celebrity, artist, or whatever. So this is how it goes. In this case, you should just go to your profile below and click this three top sign underscore bots. Then you go to settings. In settings, you can see, so all you have to do is click your account. Then this account, you have to scroll down. You can see very well request for verification. In this request for verification, you will be able to send a message to the Instagram where you get approval. So you can see in this case you have to fill up, this is your username and your full name, the document type. You have to have a document, the document you are using in your current country. You have to upload it and then give them, if it's a passport or whatever, that's filling. So you can see all here, so you have to select it. Even driver's license is also better. Then fill every details you have to fill here. You have to submit it, and when you submit it, you wait for from that day till 3 days, because maybe 3 days or more, so they will give you feedback if you are qualified to get this blue icon or not. Instagram will then let you know what your specific are, or what your roles are in Instagram. If you are not qualified, or if you have to do more, the message will be very clear to you. It's just like that. So many people get it depending on how the Instagram algorithm recognized